Hello guys, in this video, we will see how to install Node.js on Windows 11. Let us open the web browser and go to the following page, nodejs.org. Then navigate to Download section. Select the Windows version and I click on Windows Installer. The download started. When the installer file download completed, double-click it to open to begin the installation. Click Next, accept the terms, click Next, and Node.js will get installed in the following location. Keep it as it is and click Next. Custom setup. Okay, so it will also install the package manager. The following will get installed. Click Next here and automatically install the necessary tools by clicking here and click Next. Click Install. Now the installation started. We have successfully installed Node.js. Click Finish. Now let us verify the installation. Go to Start, type gemmed, click Open, type the command nodespace-v and press Enter. The following is visible. That means we successfully installed it. So guys, we saw how to install the current Node.js version on Windows 11. Thank you for watching the video.